And there we go. Hey guys, it's Ryan.Hoffman here at Summit Funding, and I had to do a very quick video because this was just too good not to share. Now, as we're in this time of doing virtual open houses, and sometimes we don't want the clients don't want even you to come over there. Here's a way that you can do a whole bunch of open houses with the help of your clients without physically going to the house. Check this out. You can actually just do a Zoom meeting, share the screen, and you could even stream it to Facebook Live and do an event that way. Or and you can simply record it using the iPhone, and you can have them walk around and do a little guided open house just with them walking around with their cell phone like this. Just another cool idea of ways to get creative and still make deals happen. Close that. All right. So if you need anything this weekend, call me. If you have any deals that are going sideways and you're not sure if they're going to live and you need to find a way to save them, call me. I'm here for you guys. I'm not giving up. I'm working like crazy. I still have lots of new purchase transactions that are coming in, and I'm still completing lots of purchases. Refinances are great, but purchases are bread and butter. You guys know that. So if there's anything you need, give me a call. You guys have a fantastic Good Friday. Have a fantastic Easter, and I hopefully will hear from you soon. Toodles!